Hello! Laura here behind the camera, Dorothy in front, and Dorothy is making a new batch of doll hairspray today. Dolls come with lovely plastic hair, and over time it gets a little ugly, right? Let's see what's happening with this doll here. Yeah, not gorgeous, not like when we got her, right? And so Dorothy is trying to restore some of the beauty and splendor to her dolls. She's done this with her bigger dolls. And have you done it with Barbies too?
Yeah, I mostly do it with Enchantimals, which are these bunnies.
Okay. And then what about your like your 18-inch dolls?
We did it once.
Yeah, I thought I remembered doing it with you. So anyway, show us what you're doing here, Cupcake.
Well,
What's in there?
1 pint or 2 cups of water.
Okay.
And now we need 2 cups of the fabric softener.
Okay. And I picked you up rose-scented fabric softener because why not? We haven't tried it with this kind yet. This is our first time with this kind.
Downy Bliss.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to get to the 1 quart sign.
Okay. Look at the doll, looks happy. She's like, oh, finally my hair is a mess. Thank goodness. Spa day. There you go. Nice work.
So 1 quart, I don't think we need to mix up.
No.
It's already mixed.
Sure. So that was half and half, right? A 1-to-1 ratio?
Half and half?
Yeah, it's not half and half like that you put in coffee.
Oh.
It is half water, half fabric softener. I believe any brand works because we've used any brand.
And then doll hairspray.
Yep, doll hairspray bottle labeled as doll hairspray so that we don't mess it up.
Okay, the smaller side.
Towards you. Do you want to hold that bottle with your hands? Okay. It's okay, don't worry. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, it's still mixed up. It's going to be fine. I'm not worried about it. And we'll just pull the tablecloth off. We don't care, right? We're not that kind of household. We're not going to cry over spilt doll hairspray.
Now, it's still on the top, so we need to wait for it to get in there.
Oh, it's still pouring in? Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, it is. Here, try pulling it up a little bit because that's not going down. There we go. Whoop. Lovely. Okay.
1 quart up. Anyways, now.
There you go. You want to give it a little shake just for safe measure?
Yeah, it's off.
Okay.
And then we should put it on screen, which is like this.
Oh, so that one's stream. Okay. What are you going to put it on?
Spray.
Okay.
The spray does it like thicker.
Okay. Cover more hair area, which is especially important with the bigger dolls.
And just take off her shoes, take off her skirt.
Okay.
And
Oh, look, she's wearing her little swimsuit. She's ready.
yeah, all of them come with swimsuits.
Oh, okay.
And it's plastic, so I don't really worry about it.
Okay. Okay, you're spraying. Oh, yeah. See, look at that. Okay.
Front.
Nope.
The bottom.
Hear your brother and his friend playing games. I hope they don't say anything awful. Okay.
Now, what do we do? I think we comb it.
Yeah. Do you feel like you need some more spray in there? That's still a little difficult. I would really soak it up. Really really get it drenched. Now, what's this other water that you've got here for?
Rinsing.
Rinsing, right. When you're done, you're going to rinse this out.
So I think we should use the big side of the comb and then the smaller one.
Mm-hmm.
Because it just works easier with the big side and then the smaller one.
Now, we've used some other recipes that had less fabric softener to water, and those did not require rinsing. But this one, this half and half recipe,
Right.
requires a rinse afterward.
It's getting smooth.